Hi, this is Josh Kirby of MarineMax in Long Island. Today we're looking at a 2019 Scout boat 300 LXF. This boat comes with the midnight colored hull. Also comes with the optional white Mercury 300 four-stroke motors, which includes joystick controls. As we step into the rear of the boat, you'll see the optional fold-away seat. Great fishing station set up here with sink and live well. Coming forward, we'll see the upgraded Garmin onboard electronics. This boat also has the upgraded sound system, and it has a solar panel on top of the hardtop for charging when needed. Inside the cabin, have a little bit of room to lay down if you need. Nice spacious head, control tower. Here's another look at the rear of the boat. Nice big 300 Mercuries. Great color, full hull paint job.